tough, ready, scalable. IronWolf is enhanced with agile array technology for system agility and optimal reliability. IronWolf hard drives are designed for NAS devices and other RAID applications in multi-user environments to handle the high-end workload rates in high data traffic networks. With extreme workload rates, rotational vibration sensors reduce vibration in the multi-bay enclosures to maintain fast and smooth data transfers. IronWolf drives are optimized for the best RAID performance and built to maximize responsiveness and uptime with error recovery control, allowing the drive to remain available, minimizing downtime. Advanced power management balances power saving and time-to-ready capabilities specifically for NAS applications, providing quick response time and excellent power consumption. IronWolf Health Management is designed to operate on popular compatible NAS systems to maximize the drive's health and the security of your data. IronWolf Pro comes with 2 years rescue data recovery services, which gives you access to a global team of world-class data recovery experts. Everything you need for scaling up your NAS environment. IronWolf, for an agile NAS.